back, guys. How's it going? Today we're gonna have Brandon's 2023 G80 M3 on the channel today, so that's super dope. He's had 4 G80s at this point, one F90 M5 and an X3M. Always good to check out different specs and options to see what you should get and what you shouldn't get, and there's not tons of videos on it, and a lot of you guys are speccing your cars now, so figure why not. I'm gonna go over the options that he has really quick with some clips, and then we're gonna jump in this car and go for a drive and give you guys my impressions. So first things first, iDrive, $4,000 over the rear wheel drive model. The 0 to 60 they say is from 3.8 to 3.4. If you guys care about that, there's a whole bunch of online data outside. Your best bet is just going with what you think you want. A majority of people want to go with the iDrive anyway for the launch. If you don't have or want to pay the $4,000 over, there's nothing wrong with getting the rear wheel drive model, which I have. Second option is the color Frozen Pure Gray 2, which is $3,600 over the basic no option white, and $2,950 over the Brooklyn Gray Metallic. I'm looking at it right here, so if I'm off and on, that's just what this is. I'm trying to remember. Very nice color. I think it suits the M3 well. I'd say the darker colors on these G80s tend to look better than the lighter colors, even though my Brooklyn Gray looks super sexy. Next thing up, obviously black 826M wheels, zero cost option, nothing to talk about. Fiona red extended leather interior, which is $2,550. Sitting in that car, seeing the red on the dash, and also the actual leather and stitching on the top of the door card looks really sick. It still comes in black, but it does look a lot more premium. I do recommend that option. Now, if I had the chance to rebuild this car, probably would get that in there because it's worth it. It makes the interior look that much more better, a lot smoother feeling. I'll include my interior in this video so you guys can see what it looks like, you know, right after or right before I show you guys his interior. Side note, I've noticed a lot of the newer G80s and G82s doesn't come with the M4 competition logo thing right here. It'd be dope if in the aftermarket someone would include that, because it's a pretty looking dope thing to have. And the newer ones, it just kind of looks bland with nothing there. I wonder why BMW took that out. Luckily, when you spec it with the red, you get the door cards, but some colors you actually do not. It's just black unless you get the full leather, so keep that in mind. Next up on the option list is the carbon fiber trim interior, $950. I think it was a little bit cheaper before. That's probably the best option that's available on these cars, the M3. The M4, you get open pore wood, which I picked for just about $100 over. The carbon fiber, you get the paddles, so it's like carbon fibers definitely look like a win for the G80. G82, consider it as well. His car comes with the parking assist, 360 cameras, highly useful. Do you need it? Nah, well, it just depends on if you like it or you're having difficulty parking, curbing your wheels. I have the basic setup, which is just a rear view camera. My E92 didn't even have a camera. I never scratched or scuffed a wheel, so you know, there you have it. It's up to you if you want to fork over the $800. I think that marks up the if you want to tally to about like $4,800 with the extra. The executive package, which has $1,800, comes with the heads-up display, remote start, and a bunch of other things. The next thing I'm going to include just all together, which is the shadow line laser headlight package, $1,300. I don't think the laser lights are necessary, and those coming in at $1,000. However, I do think these shadow line headlights are. I've seen them with and without. Just paint the insides black for $300. I think is highly worth it. Thing up on the list is the cooled seats. If you don't have the carbon buckets, get the cooled seats, cool feature, and they actually do work. I think one of the last things that he spec'd on his car that you can spec online, the carbon package for the exterior comes in at $4,700. This car looks so sexy with some carbon on it. My car in particular, I have the full carbon keys, carbon package with the front grille included as well. So you can choose between the $4,500 carbon buckets or the $4,700 carbon fiber exterior package. To be honest, you can go either way. I've sat in the regular seats and they feel very comfortable, and I love the carbon bucket seats. So that's pretty much up to you. If you're super rich and you want to spec it out past 100 grand, then there you go. You can just option both. If not, then I'd say if you're not going to modify it after, and this is just all you get the exterior carbon package. But You can further on down the road, get a couple extra dollars or whatever, throw some carbon on the car. So with that being said, I'd go for the carbon fiber seats. That's just me. Now, since he's picked up the car, he's added a couple things as well. KW suspension, spacers, color match reflectors, window tint, and downpipes to the car. If you want to check him out, if you have some questions to ask him, check Brandon's G80 is his Instagram. I'll put it right here. Now we're gonna jump back into this video and yeah, walk around and go for a drive in his car. Give you guys my impressions, what I think about it.
Yeah, this is way better.
Damn, I ain't had back seats in a while. Yeah, I don't even try to fit people in my back seat, bro. I tried to squeeze back there once, it's a wrap. This right here is the main difference though. The 2023s come with the big screen, man. It's a lot easier than the damn buckets, bro. This is nice. Yeah, I feel like they changed up a little bit of this stuff right here. Carbon fiber inside look nice. These paddles are beautiful, bro. I chose the open pore wood, but I'm not even gonna lie, yo, this carbon is looking real nice. And the full leather, yeah, man, the red dash going all the way. Oh yeah, this thing is huge, yo.
Little less buttons in the middle. Like, you know, the layout been the same since like 2000.
Mm-hmm. They finally switched it up. They used to have the number buttons here through every goddamn Beamer. Oh, I like this. This is nice. M mode changes to the screen on this one. Hold on. Oh, so it's different now. And, you have to scroll.
Yeah.
You can't just.
It's a little different too on the left side. They changed it up a little bit.
Yeah, I see it now. I got you. So you don't really get the mile per hour on the left.
I didn't even put it in that mode, honestly.
Yeah, this shit looks straight video game.
Yeah, like I'm on the PlayStation.
At the end of the day, man, you could just turn this shit up. Oh, you got a whole different dial up here
I like
too.
That setup.
Yeah, this one's nice. I like it better than mine.
Yeah, I don't like the old setup.
Yeah, the old one, it just feel like it take up the whole screen. Oh yeah, that's nice. I don't even know if they can see that. Set up. Oh yeah, you got way more options. Okay, so this come with that adjustable traction control. This thing is nice, man. This is nice to be in, man. So let me ask you, right? You had a rear-wheel drive one before, right? What do you think the difference?
I feel like it's the same thing.
Yeah? I mean, just launching though. Launching,
I feel like it's a little bit harder to launch a rear wheel. But then I can't say that because I've bogged out launching in four wheel too.
yeah.
You know? But you know, you get the proper setup on the rear wheel. I'm not saying that shit not hooking.
Oh shit. Yeah, bro.
I just feel like low end is just so much more like than the F90, you know? So
Yeah.
more.
You know, even on the M6, I drove my boy's M6 and it was like that too. The low one wasn't there.
Once you're on the highway though, yeah, but
Oh yeah, God. I see what you mean. This thing just goes, bro.
in the F,
God. Yeah, when it hooks, it's a different story, bro. This thing.
and you could stretch that whole gear too. That's the thing. Like that shit sound crazy.
Yo.
I mean, you should just pulling them shits. It's not rear wheel drive, so you don't have to worry about how you shift gears if the wheel gonna hook.
Yeah, yo, I put the XHP transmission flash in my car now. So when you shift the gear, it'll kick out a little bit more like the F80s do when you go from 1 to 2. Yeah, yo, it's not the best feeling, I ain't gonna lie to you. Yo, this overdrive hooks though, bro. The wheel does feel different though, I noticed. Like you could feel, yeah, like you feel more vibration in the wheel. At first I thought it was because I was on the line. Damn, this shit smooth, bro. And this is.
You know what? I mean, like, so many niggas get G80s, just letting them drive my G80, bro. I literally convinced.
I swear this sounds like you got an exhaust. It sounds different from my car, bro.
Do you have a 21?
Yeah, I got the 20. Yeah, no, the 22.
22. I swear from a 21 to a 22, they sound different, but I don't know.
The 23, I'm telling, like, I don't know if it's the interior piping, but it sounds different, bro. Like, it sounds more aggressive.
Yeah, I definitely noticed from the 21 to 22 the difference when I had the yellow one.
Mm-hmm.
Like that shift, like everything switched. Like it's crazy.
Let's do it. The window tint is not bad at all, though, yo.
Yeah,
I like that you can see outside. Some tint, bro, I'd be half blind looking out.
The F90 was like that because I had picked it up, bro. I had like 5s. I had to open the windows to park.
Yeah, or to make. What'll kill me is making like a left turn, and you gotta clear like these little middle pieces right here.
Yeah, that too.
Dang, you got a car coming up fast. What is that? Oh, that's nothing special too, is that? What is that?
It's an Audi
Oh.
A6, I think.
Yeah, he coming up fast. That's 6. It's like a
5 Series Plus. So
yeah, like a 550 maybe something.
Yeah,
Yeah.
dump shift to that. It's straight pipe bullshit. Forgot about that. Best part, right?
Oh yeah.
Best part with the X-Drive when you can just switch modes.
Mm-hmm.
I think my M1 is 2-wheel, and my M2 is.
Oh, I get what you're saying.
So like, I'll be like just like G'ing people's heads, bro, and I'll be driving. So like somebody would be next to me, you already know they're gonna like try some shit. So I'll put it in rear wheel drive, and I'll just like burn out the block or whatever, real quick. So then we pull up to the next light. So he's like, oh, this nigga's rear wheel drive. He's definitely gonna knock me,
Uh huh.
I put that shit back in all wheel. I did that shit to like 2 of my boys. Cause they didn't know like the yellow one was X-Drive.
Oh, I got what you're saying.
That's when that shit first dropped, so everyone thought this shit was
Rear wheel.
drive. I even made one of my boys sell his. He had a manual yellow one.
Uh huh.
He tuned it and everything, yo. This kid calls me to come out to Queens to race him. He couldn't even keep up. He did roll race, dig, everything. I mean, yeah, rear wheel drive to all wheel drive, but you got to tune and everything.
Yeah.
He couldn't even like be next to me. He got rid of the car the next day. I swear.
Oh.
Right here.
Oh.
Yeah, they did that because of me. I got one right here too. Like, because I wrap around the block.
Uh huh.
Bro, when I had the 340, my shit used to sound like a jet.
Hips is no joke, man. I might spec one out, see how much one of these little things cost, man. You said what? Yeah, nah, the interest rates are crazy.
Yeah, everything is terrible.
Interest rates are crazy. Yo.
I can tell you, bro, I had a 21, 22, and a 23, bro.
Yeah. 21 you paid $1,200 for.
Yeah.
And then now this is $1,500 for.
Yeah, basically, hold on my 15.
God.
Granted, I don't put shit down with
Yeah.
lease, bro.
Yeah.
I'm putting down all my bread on it.
The thing about putting money down on a lease or for the most part is, yo, if you total it around the corner, you don't get that money back.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, because unfortunately somebody hit the white one and they totaled it out and they paid out 25,000 over. It was like 24,000 over. And at the time, like, I guess they had this shit where they wasn't giving you the difference.
Yeah.
But within the year time, like from then to now they give you a tax credit. They give you like half the money back.
Yeah. Okay.
One of my boys recently, somebody hit his, and he got paid out like almost 20,000 too, and they gave him like half the money back.
Oh.
But for me, I'm beat. 25K. They're like, yo, give me that. You know you're gonna get another M.
Yeah, this is a good spec right here, man. So what do you guys think, man? Finally got to drive a 2023 with the new iDrive 8. I mean, I've driven the i4, shout out to my guy. Jose, BRG Jose, I put his Instagram right here. He works at BMW Greenwich. So if you need him for something, hit him up, you know. He got some good deals going on. M3 CS on the way, M2s, manuals. Just tell him I sent you, you know what I'm saying? He ain't gonna cut me no cut, but it's all love. But yeah, man, finally got to drive this thing right here. Not too crazy, not too aggressive, it's not mine. They all nice cars, no matter which one you get. I'm gonna get up out of here. Yeah, I ain't gonna front, yo. That was a nice ass G80, man. Got me thinking about SPEC one. I want to see how much a similarly spec'd one is. Skyscraper gray. I'm not gonna do the frozen. I know it's more money. Red interior, full leather. That has definitely surprised me. It's always good to go out and see these cars in person because I didn't know it hit like that, especially with the red on the dash. Listen, man, to get a really perfectly spec G80, yeah, I mean, you're just gonna have to pretty much tick a lot of the boxes, especially depending on who you are. Nonetheless, G80's G80, you know, they still dope cars, all come with the S58 and can cut killer times, which we have to start normalizing the 9-second pass. And if you check out Brian's video, he actually shows you it takes a lot of effort. However, you know, there's no motor and pistons and things having to come out and go in. It's pretty much just downpipe tune, good tire, and knowing what you're doing to get that 9-second pass. So we're gonna have to start normalizing it, man. 9 seconds is still 9 seconds, very fast, but I mean, it's just, you know, I don't know, that's just my take on it. It's becoming not that impressive anymore. I haven't really seen any groundbreaking impressive things happen with the G80s. Hopefully we'll see some soon. We have the Bumblebee S58 coming out, Autocraft. You got Rick's F80. Did I say F80? You got S58, sorry. Rick M Life, his G80. You got Randy, his brother, G80. Then you have, I know, M Powerhouse. M Powerhouse. I don't know the guy's name, but the guy from M Powerhouse, he got the single turbo. So, I mean, I'm pretty sure we're about to see some impressive shit go down with the G80s. But, I mean, 9 seconds is, I mean, I guess low 9s is impressive, but like 9.9 or 9.8, 9.7, I mean, it's not really, I mean, it's just that's just like the downpipe and tune kind of route these days. So excited to see, man. I want to see one break into the 8s. I want to see one at like ZL1 level. See what it takes, compare, contrast, what have you. But I know one thing, it ain't gonna be me. My pockets don't run that deep, man. Yeah, right now, as you see, man, we in that butane, girl. Taking 87 gas. Ooh, look at that. God, that's a bad one right there. Car spotted in a butane. That looks like a, get over here, make this little turn. That was like gold F80 with bronze TEs. If you know somebody that has that spec, most likely it was them, and that thing was low to the blue. But yeah, man, I should do that. Car spot in the butane. These roads, it's treacherous out here, boy. Treacherous. Gotta get on the Jackie. Nothing spicy don't go on the Jackie in this thing, but you know, the Jackie is like the Brooklyn's version of New Jersey Motorsports Park, if you know what I mean.
Last 3 in the morning. I'm thinking about hitting this lick. I know what y'all thinking, I'm bogus. I'm supposed to be home with a bitch. Nah, see.